Hey fellow photographer, how's it going?
A few days ago, we posted a little video with our of a photo shoot with our friend Coco in our Facebook group.
Exactly, and in that video I explained a little bit how to do the lighting for photos with beautiful reflections of the model on the floor in front of her. And I talked a bit about what to do and what not to do and why to do that. And we thought, since many of you are not in our Facebook group, why not also post it over here on YouTube? Maybe you like it, no?
I really like the reflection effect.
I think many people like them. Whenever I suggest such photos to clients or to models, they definitely want to have some of these photos. So I think this is a very good thing to do. So let's have a look at this tip, and afterwards we are back with a little special offer. Hey fellow photographer, how's it going? I'm Michael Zelbel, currently waiting for the food here in the hotel restaurant, so I take the time to give you two key tips regarding nice mirror reflections of your model on the floor. You know, this big, clean mirror images which make your photo standing out, and it's not about Photoshop or something. It's just your model is sitting there on a reflective floor or in front of a piece of plastic glass, and then she's mirrored. On Facebook I have the image of cousin Coco sitting on the floor in my home studio, having her legs a bit spread, so it's a bit provocative, nice. And now Sunny Daniel is asking how to do the lighting setup, which is actually explained in our lighting notebook. It's easy. It's a 40-inch umbrella above Coco's head, and it's powered by speedlight on a quarter power. Camera setup is 1/200th of a second, f11, ISO 200. That's quite easy, but I want to give you 2 or 3 additional tips why the setup is like this. Point 8, you have to position your light, in this case the umbrella, so that your camera doesn't see the reflection of the light in the frame. Otherwise you've got a big white blob on the floor somewhere, which just looks broken, and it pulls away all the attention from the model to this big white spot. You want to have just the perfect mirror image of the model on the floor and nothing else. In order to achieve that, just imagine that your floor is a big mirror. It's a perfect mirror. And if you looked through your camera, what would you see in that mirror? You would see, for example, everything left and right. So you cannot position your light over there. But you don't see what's above your model's head. So that is a safe place where you can position the light. Now, of course, your floor is not a perfect mirror, and that's okay. It's just helping you to imagine or to find out where to position the light. The second tip is, I usually have the camera at an extremely low point of view for this kind of images. It's nearly laying on the floor. So if your camera is low on the ground, the frame is completely filled with this mirror. And if you look from the low point of view onto the mirror, you see what's on the other side at a low point of view, or at the low position in front of the mirror. And what is there? The model. That's good. So if on the other hand you raise the camera up and then look into this mirror, what you would see is the ceiling of your studio space or room or whatever is there, right? It would not you would not see any of the mirror reflection of the model. So that's why you must shoot it from a really low point of view. You see, when I'm thinking about reflections, be it on the floor or be it on any other surface or be it on the model's skin, I'm always thinking about a mirror. You should do that too. Just imagine this is a mirror. This makes it so much easier for your brain to really come up with what is reflected where. Another tip is the camera setting that I just mentioned. It's f11. Why do I have f11? Because for this type of images, I want to have the mirror reflection sharp and the model. So I need a lot of depth of field, and that's why f11 is mandatory. I don't want to blur away the mirror image on the floor, right? Okay. One bonus tip. This kind of pose where she has got her legs spread, they're standing on the floor but they're spread open, it would anyway not work with the light from the side, because if the lights come from the side, then one leg would throw a shadow onto the other leg. That wouldn't look good. So it only works if you have kind of the light above your model. From the front it would look boring, above it's good. So if you have this set up anyway, for the reflections you need it above, then take the chance and shoot such a photo. But okay, no worries. It also works for more conservative poses, and that's fine.
I hope you like the tips. In the video you saw our lighting notebook.
The lighting notebook is a PDF where our team collected all the lighting setups that we ever published in Good Light magazine, in our books, in our videos, what have you. It's more than, or it's exactly 250 setups right now. They're explained with lighting diagrams and camera settings and links to the videos if there was a video, and there are inspiring images that you can browse through and then click on the image and then go to the setup. So it's really, really handy. If you don't have the notebook yet, then there's a special deal, because our distributor FastSpring, they're offering the notebook at 33% discount for the next 4 days. So if you don't have it yet and you are watching this video early enough, find the link underneath the video and go to FastSpring, grab the deal with the 33%, and then, like always, we wish you a lot of fun for your next photo shoot with a proven setup from the lighting notebook, and good light.
Bye bye.